Hi friends, this is English Individual and Society for BA.BSC.BCOM first SEM based July 2023. Maulana Azad National Urdu University solved online assignments. Let's start our assignment. The patriarchal system is defined as a system of dominance. Female, male, sex, gender. Its right answer is male. Who gave the title to untouchables as Harijans? That means children of God. B.R. Ambedkar, Gandhiji, Jyotirai Phule, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Its right answer is Gandhiji. Stereotyping is a process. Positive, neutral, negative, can't say. Stereotyping is a negative process. Caste laws is an excerpt from the preface to the 1873 book Caste system, Praja, Brahmanism, slavery. Its right answer is slavery. Proletariat consists of white-collar workers, working class, professionals, factory owners. Its right answer is working class. Asmat Chogtai was awarded the Padma Shri Award in the year 1976, 1992, 2002, 1876. Its right answer is 1976. The novel Jane Eyre was written by Jane Austen, Charlotte Bronte, Emily James, Mary Shelley. Its right answer is Charlotte Bronte. When was A Room of One's Own published? 1927, 1928, 1929, 1930. Its right answer is 1929. What is the name of the woman eats loud deeply? Lady Gregory, Mouthgown, Catherine, Elizabeth. Its right answer is Mouthgown. At what age was Yeats married? 51, 52, 53 or 54. Its right answer is 52. Amrita Pritam writes in Danish language. Hindi, Punjabi, English, Urdu. Its right answer is Punjabi. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness was written by Cyrus Mistry, Amitav Ghosh, Arundhati Roy or Kamala Das. Its right answer is Arundhati Roy. Which of the following is not written by Eunice de Souza? Fix, Women in Dutch Painting, The Saint Within, Ways of Belonging. Its right answer is The Saint Within. The poem Marriages Are Made talks about marriage, nature, industrialization, Independence Day. Its right answer is marriage. For which novel did Krishna Saboti receive the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award? Zindagi Gulzar, Zindagi Nama, Zinda Dilan, Lihaf. Its right answer is Zindagi Nama. Antikatha is an autobiography of a Malayalam writer. Kamala Das, Arundhati Roy, Asmat Chogtai, Rashid Jahan. Its right answer is Kamala Das. Indian poet Eunice de Souza was born in a Parsi community, Goan Hindu community, Goan Catholic community, Jewish community. Its right answer is Goan Catholic community. The custom of marrying only within the limits of a local community, clan or tribe is called exogamy, endogamy, exogamy, heterogamy. Its right answer is endogamy. Karl Marx was a Danish philosopher, political theorist and economist. Russian, German, British, American. Its right answer is German. The term society came from which word? Greek, Latin, Spanish, French. Its right answer is Latin word socius. Thank you.